Chrome story. Here we talk about Chrome OS and Google Chrome and other Chromium based browsers. Now in today's video I want to show you how to change the screen resolution of your Chromebook. For that, what you need to do is open up the settings app and from the left choose device and then choose display. Now you won't see something called resolution here, but what you're looking for is display and text size. So you'll see that you see the resolution number here. Now what you do is move this slider to change the resolution of your screen. So if you want larger icons, which is lower numbers in terms of resolution size, you do this here. Or if you want things to look smaller, you do this, bring it to the left side where it says small. So that is how you change the screen resolution on your Chromebook. I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button just below this video. Thank you for watching.